If you have uploaded many videos but they are not showing on your homepage, then you need to do some things to show this video on your homepage. On the homepage of your YouTube channel, click on Customize Channel. Then click on Home tab in Channel Customization page. Here you will see two options, Home tab and Layout. If the Home tab is not selected, just select it like I am doing here. Then in the Layout section, click on plus button, Add section. Here you can select the videos that you want to see. Like suppose I am selecting videos. Okay. Then I am again selecting short videos and popular videos. Now click on publish. Here you will see changes published. Go to channel. Just click on view channel. See, now you can see I have only one video uploaded, so I can see that video here. So your problem is solved now. Thank you.